Well, for most of the season I've been bugging Chase to get after some turkeys with me. We finally got some rain, so he had off in the afternoon, and it didn't take us long to find a tom. As this tom didn't really seem to want to leave his hens, we knew we had to make a move and get closer to the spot that these hens have been going back and forth in. We took our chance when the tom went over the hill with his hens. I picked the blind up and moved slowly as Chase followed behind me, taking our time and making sure the turkeys couldn't see us. Now we're within 40 yards of where these turkeys have been going back and forth, just a matter of time before they come back.
Here they come.
Boom! Yeah! Look at that spatter. Yeah, I think I drilled him. Nice!
I'm the only one Dylan loves you. Dylan loves fade away. I'm the only one Dylan loves you. Dylan loves fade away.